Hi everybody, so today we're going to make this phone stand. You can put your earphones in it like this and like this. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to need a full computer paper, and then we need to fold it like this. And then just press it from the corners from here and from here, and then open it up, then fold it like this, and then do the same to the other side. Now fold it once again. Okay. And now we have to fold it from the between like this. And then open it up, then close it again, then leave 2 cm from here, and then fold it like this. Then open it up, then fold it once again like this. Then open it up, open it full, and then fold this one just from here like this, and then fold this one from that line like this. And now we have to fold this one corner inside this one. Okay. First of all, let's close it up. Like this. And then fold this one into half like this. Then do the same to the other side. Fold it from the middle like this. Then fold this one into that one. Like this. And now let's decorate it. First take a paper like this, and then now I'm going to paste it here and fold it from the top like this. And now draw a face on it like this.